How to add cash to Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add cash to Cash App. Well, adding the cash to Cash App itself is pretty simple. First thing first, you want to launch the Cash App. Then you want to tap the bank icon in the lower left corner to open the banking tab. Once you're on the banking tab, what you want to do is you want to tap the add cash button. Then you want to enter the amount of cash you want to add to Cash App. Then you want to tap on the add button, the green add button that you can see at the bottom of your screen. And once you go ahead through the prompts, you'll be able to add it. Before being able to add cash, you'll have to make sure that your identity is verified on Cash App. So make sure to go through the KYC verification process. I've already made a separate video on it, so you can go and check it out on my channel as well. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.